Do you wonder how search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing give you a search result? In this lesson, I'm going to explain how search engine work. Specifically, we are going to discuss the primary function of search engine. Imagine for a moment that you are a librarian. When people coming to your library, it's your job to help them to find the book that they are looking for. Now, imagine that your library is a giant one that consists of over 130 million books with no formal organized filing system. How do you do it? First, you need a system, and a great one for that matter. Your system needs to know what are over 100 trillion pages. Additionally, to answer up to 40,000 customers' inquiries per second, and to speed up the most relevant answer for each question. Search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing are the librarian, and the giant library is the internet. Search engine like Google has its own system to collect information about every page on the internet to provide their customer with their most relevant search result. And that is how search engine works. Things to remember in web searching. First, do not capitalize the search keyword to be able to get much information about the keyword. Second, do not enclose your phrases in a quotation marks. This allows you to get more information about the phrase. Third, to widen your search on the topic, use the root word of the topic and use an asterisk. Fourth, if you want to widen your search for as much as information about the topic, write in your keywords the words or and "and." Bookmarks are links to websites that make it easy for you to get back to your favorite or frequently visited websites or web pages. Here is how to do a bookmark. Today I'm going to teach you on how to bookmark a website. So I have here a Google website on our screen. So you will go to your taskbar class and then you will see a star here. Then you are just going to click it and then the pop-up window will comes out. Then this pop-up window class will automatically save the Google website in our bookmark bar. Then just click done. So you will notice class that the star turns into blue. That means that this Google website has already been bookmarked. So let us check whether this Google website has been bookmarked. You will go to your upper right side of your screen class, then you will see this icon, the three dots, then click here, then click bookmark, and then you will see from here class, in our window class, that the Google website has already been bookmarked. So if you want to undo the bookmark, you're just going to click the star and then remove. That means that the Google website is already removed from your bookmarks. That turns the star into white again. That is how we bookmark our website. How to bookmark web page. Today I'm going to teach you on how to manage your bookmark class. So I have here on the screen three web pages that I opened a while ago. I have here Facebook, Collaborative Learning, and then YouTube class. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your taskbar and then do the right click. The pop-up window will comes out and then click bookmark all tabs. And then this window will comes out. You're going to choose one of this folder to save this three web page that we have. So if you don't want to save from this folder class, you can create a new folder. Just click the new folder here at the bottom class and then name the folder, let's say classes, and then click save. So you will notice class that is the web page here, the page of the YouTube class. The star here turns into blue. That means that this page is already bookmarked. So how are you going to check if this web page has already bookmarked? You will go to your upper part of the screen class, you will see this icon, the three dots here. And then right click, you will see bookmark here. And then go over here. Then you will see the classes folder that we make. And then just click it and you will see the three web page that we bookmark. Now, if you want to delete this bookmark class, you just do the right click and then delete it, and the bookmark will be deleted. So you will see that this page of YouTube, in our taskbar, you will see that the star is no longer blue. That means that this page has not been bookmarked. So that is how are you going to manage your bookmark class. Thank you.